Hey everybody, welcome back to 1 Minute Walking Tours. I'm your host Jonathan. We are here in Cypress Hill Cemetery in Cypress Hills, Brooklyn, and Queens. We are here to visit their most visited site, the most influential and famous Jackie Robinson, who was the first black American to play Major League Baseball. Now, he was not believed to be the first choice for this. Actually, pitcher Satchel Paige, who had pitched for the Kansas City Monarchs, was considered the most likely candidate. Paige was not willing to go down and play AAA ball, any kind of minor league. But Robinson, realizing all of this needed to be done properly, he went back to play minor league ball, and he was eventually drafted for the Brooklyn Dodgers, where his play will lead them to their only World Series before they were moved to godless Los Angeles to play baseball there. Now, when Robinson dies in 1972 of cancer, many said that the pressure he felt to represent all black Americans in baseball will eventually cause his death. He felt he only had one way to express himself, and that was actually as a baseball player, of which he was fantastic. He stole home 19 times. That's the hardest thing to do in baseball. His overall average was 313. But again, really Jackie Robinson, for whom the Jackie Robinson Parkway is named, if you can put that one together, he actually helped make the United States a better, more equitable place to be, and he's right at the forefront of what will be the civil rights movements. And it is with great respect I put my marker that I've been here, and we'll see you here soon on 1 Minute Walking Tours.